Hello everyone. In the previous class, we learned superlatives, and in today's class, we'll learn comparatives. So we often use comparisons because we want to talk about the differences between people, places, and things. For example, Janet's house is bigger than Tom's, or Tom's house is a lot smaller than hers. Or we can say Janet's house is fancier and more elaborate than Tom's house. So here we are talking about the difference between two houses. So the comparative forms from the previous example are bigger than, smaller than, fancier than, or more elaborate than. So do you know when do we use er with an adjective or when do we use more? Let's learn it together. Here is rule number 1. If I talk about the adjective big and small, we have only one syllable in it. So for one syllable adjectives, just add er to the end. For example, Tom is smarter than Joe. Here, smart is one syllable adjective. If the one syllable adjective ends with the letter E, just add R to the end. Like nice ends with E, so we'll simply add R to the end. And wise, again, ends with E, we'll add R, becomes wiser. Now, if one syllable has CVC pattern, means consonant, vowel, and then consonant again. Like wet, W is the consonant, A is vowel, and T is consonant again. So it has CVC pattern. So we'll double the consonant and add ER. Like big, bigger, we double the letter G and add ER to the end. So the sentence is, San Francisco is wetter than San Diego. Or San Diego is bigger than San Francisco. Rule number 2 is when an adjective ends with the letter Y. Drop the Y and add IER. Like fancy, fancier, pretty, prettier, or friendly, friendlier. Such as Allison is friendlier than Suzanne. Now, rule number 3. Look at the word elaborate. How many syllables is the word? More than one? So for more than one adjective, use more plus the adjective to make the comparative forms. For example, this chair is more comfortable than that chair. So here, comfortable has more than one syllable. Rule number 4 is about irregular comparatives that you must memorize because we don't have such rule to remember this. Here we have good, so the comparative form will be better than, bad, worse than, far, further than. Sarah's grades are better than Michael's. So simple. Now, rule number 5. Never use more and ER together in a sentence. Like, Lisa's job is more better than mine. So here, you're using ER and also more. That's why it is incorrect. So the correct sentence should be, Lisa's job is better than mine. Here we have rule number 6. Sometimes we compare two things by using less than. So to do this, we use the pattern less plus adjective plus than. And when using less than, the adjective doesn't change, such as he is less energetic than my other teacher. So I used less plus adjective energetic plus than. Here you can review all the rules together. Furthermore, there are few exceptions. You must memorize this also. We have the adjective fun, though it has only one syllable, but we cannot add er to it. We say more fun. Same like simple, more simple, narrow, more narrow, quiet, more quiet. So it's your turn to try these examples and use the comparative forms. Thank you.